sound and music. In the previous part of this chapter, we have already learned that if the frequency of sound wave is changed, different sound is produced. Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. In the field of music, various musical instruments are used for creation of sound notes. This includes instruments like sitar, violin, guitar, which use strings for production of sound, and instruments like flute, shehnai, which use air blown into pipes for the production of sound. In string-based instruments, the frequency of vibration of the string is changed by changing the tension on the string. The frequency of vibration of the string can also be changed by changing the vibrating length of the string using fingers. This results in generation of different notes. In musical instruments like flute, the holes on the flute are opened or closed to change the length of vibrating air column in the flute. The frequency of waves therefore changes, and it results in the production of different notes. In flute, different notes can be generated by changing the way of air blowing also. Come, let us see some more musical instruments. Here some musical instruments are shown. Do you know their names? You must be familiar with many of them. This is sitar. This is tabla. This is shehnai. This is flute. This is santoor. This is bugle. This is saxophone. Do you know the name of this instrument? This is called lute. Do you know the frequencies of musical notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni in the Madhya Saptak are shown in this table. The frequency of musical note sa is 256 Hz. The frequency of re is 280 Hz. The frequency of ga is 312 Hz. The frequency of ma is 346 Hz. The frequency of musical note pa is 384 Hz. The frequency of dha is 426 Hz. And the frequency of musical note ni is 480 Hz. All these musical notes can be generated using an app for generation of different sound notes. With the help of your teacher, use one of the sound note generator app available on the cell phone and generate the musical notes of different frequencies. After studying about the sound produced by musical instruments, let us now learn about the sound generation in human beings.